Camden in the snow scoop. Oh, he's getting buried in snow! Up the sledding hill! It's March 9th, 2013. We're having a pretty good March snowstorm. Be careful, Dad! Whoa! What does the snow taste like, Camden? Is it snow? Is it cold on your tongue? You have snow everywhere. Oh, it's Does it turn into water? Whoa, that was a lot. All done, okay.
Okay, ready? You're gonna come down on your snowboard.
He's just sitting on the bench. Oh, cool! How deep is that snow, Camden? Is it so deep? Camden, did you get it on your goggles too? Now we're really getting in the snow. Wow! Do you want to make a snow angel, Camden? Can you see? Where's Camden? He's buried in snow! Where is he? Now put your arms out like this.
In the snow. Put him in the snow.
Put him in the snow.